Negative thoughts and emotions, such as anger, frustration, and hatred, are part of the human experience. They often emerge in moments of stress, uncertainty, or sadness, and can significantly impact our mental and physical health if left unchecked. However, both practical wisdom and biblical teachings provide powerful tools to manage and overcome these negative influences, leading to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Negative thoughts, if allowed to dominate, can distort our perception of reality. They can lead to anxiety, depression, and even physical symptoms like headaches or fatigue. These thoughts act like a heavy backpack filled with rocks, weighing us down and draining our energy. They can make even simple tasks feel insurmountable, slowing our progress and keeping us from reaching our goals. Holding on to negative emotions like anger, frustration, and hatred intensifies this burden. These feelings can lead to stress, resentment, and bitterness, harming not only our relationships but also our bodies, causing issues like sleeplessness, headaches, and even heart problems. Releasing negative emotions is a powerful act of self-care. When we choose to let go of anger, frustration, or hatred, we lighten our emotional load, opening ourselves to new possibilities and a sense of relief. Forgiveness plays a pivotal role in this process. By forgiving others and ourselves, we release the anger and resentment that hold us back. Forgiveness is not about condoning harmful actions, but about freeing ourselves from the chains of past hurts. It allows us to coexist with our past without letting it dictate our future, reclaiming our power and control over our narrative. The Bible provides profound insights into managing negative emotions, recognizing their existence while cautioning against allowing them to lead to destructive behavior or sin. It emphasizes the importance of addressing emotions like anger, frustration, and hatred in ways that align with God's teachings. For instance, it teaches us that anger is not inherently sinful, but if left unchecked, it can lead to harmful actions. The Bible encourages self-awareness and self-control to prevent anger from dominating our behavior. Similarly, frustration, often arising from unmet expectations, is an opportunity to exercise patience and deepen trust in God. Meanwhile, hatred is explicitly condemned as being contrary to God's command to love others. To navigate and overcome these negative emotions, the Bible provides several key principles. 1. Recognize and surrender negative thoughts. Transformation begins with a change of mind. By surrendering harmful thoughts and renewing our focus, we align our thinking with Christ. This practice involves consciously taking every thought captive and making it obedient to God's will. 2. Practice self-control and patience, as patience and self-control are vital virtues in overcoming anger and frustration. The Bible extols the value of being slow to anger and quick to listen, emphasizing that human anger does not produce the righteousness that God desires. 3. Replace hatred with love, as love is the antidote to hatred. By loving our enemies and overcoming evil with good, we reflect God's character and fulfill His call to love unconditionally. 4. Forgiveness as a path to healing. Forgiveness is essential for releasing bitterness and malice. By extending kindness and compassion to others, just as God forgave us through Christ, we find personal healing and spiritual growth. 5. Rely on prayer and gratitude, since prayer, coupled with gratitude, guards the heart and mind with God's peace. Focusing on what is true, noble, and praiseworthy nurtures a positive mindset and strengthens our faith. Through these teachings, the Bible provides a roadmap for overcoming negative emotions, promoting a life of love, patience, and spiritual renewal. By letting go of negativity, we make room for positive thoughts and experiences. This shift enables us to communicate with kindness, deepen our relationships, and approach life's challenges with resilience. Practicing mindfulness and self-awareness allows us to observe our emotions without being overwhelmed, empowering us to respond thoughtfully. Compassion, both for ourselves and others, becomes a tool for healing and building a more peaceful world. Inner peace doesn't mean we will never encounter negative emotions again. Instead, it equips us to navigate these emotions with grace and resilience. By embracing forgiveness, understanding, and gratitude, we lay the foundation for a life filled with peace and joy. We deserve to be free from the weight of negativity. Choose forgiveness. Choose understanding. Choose peace. And watch your life transform for the better.